Hey, let me ask you something. Have you ever walked into a shop and a staff member came over and said, "Hi, can I help you with anything?" And you just smiled and said, "No, thank you," even though you actually needed help?
Oh, yes. Because in that moment, you didn't know how to explain what you were looking for in English, so it was just easier to say no.
Exactly. Or maybe you wanted to ask about the price or find a different size or return something, but you didn't know the right words to use.
Hmm. Shopping in English can feel surprisingly tricky. Even when you know some English, those specific shopping phrases just don't always come naturally.
But after today, that changes because we are going to walk you through a real English conversation while shopping. Every phrase you need in a natural and simple way.
From the moment you walk in, to asking for help finding something, to asking about sizes, to trying something on, to paying at the counter, we've got you completely covered.
So stay with us. By the end of this episode, you will shop in English with complete confidence. Let's go. Welcome to Speak English Easily.
The podcast where you learn real English for real life.
I'm John.
And I'm Lisa. So happy you're here with us today.
This is your daily English conversation practice, and today's topic is something every single one of us does: shopping.
Whether it's a clothing store, a supermarket, a bookshop, or a pharmacy, you need English to shop confidently. And today, we are going to make that so much easier for you.
No complicated words, no long explanations, just real, natural English that you can use right away. Let's get into it. Okay, Lisa, let's set the scene for today's conversation.
Yes, so imagine this. It's a weekend afternoon. You're looking for a new jacket. You walk into a clothing store and a staff member approaches you.
Ah, that moment. They smile and ask if you need any help, and this time, you are ready. You know exactly what to say.
That's right. Today's conversation covers everything. Asking for help finding something, asking about sizes, trying something on, asking about the price, and paying at the counter.
So today, Alex is the customer shopping for a jacket. Sarah is the store staff member helping him. It's Alex's first time in this particular store.
Listen carefully to how Alex asks for what he needs, how he responds to Sarah's questions, and how the whole conversation flows naturally from start to finish. This is real-life English shopping in action.
These are phrases you can use immediately next time you go shopping in English. Here are Alex and Sarah.
Hi there. Welcome in. Is there anything I can help you with today?
Hi, yes, actually, I'm looking for a jacket, something casual for everyday wear.
Of course, you've come to the right place. Are you thinking more of a light jacket or something warmer?
Something in between, I think. Not too heavy, but warm enough for autumn.
Perfect. We have some really nice options over here. Follow me. So these are mid-weight jackets. This section here is very popular right now.
Oh, wow, there are so many choices. I really like this one, the dark blue one. Could I have a look?
Absolutely. Here you go. That's one of our best sellers, actually. It's a great quality fabric, and it's very comfortable to wear.
Oh, yes, I like this. It feels really nice. Do you have this in a medium?
Let me check for you. Yes, we do have it in medium. Here you go.
Great, thank you. Could I try it on?
Of course, the fitting rooms are just at the back on your left.
Thank you so much.
A few minutes later,
Hi, I'm back. I tried it on and I really like it. The fit is perfect.
oh, wonderful. It looks great on you, honestly.
Thank you. Could I ask, how much is it?
That one is $89.99, and actually, it's currently in our autumn sale, so you get 15% off.
Oh, really? So how much would that be?
It comes to about $76 with the discount.
Oh, that's great. Yes, I'll take it.
Excellent choice. Would you like to have a look at anything else while you're here? We also have some really nice scarves that go really well with that jacket.
That's a good idea, actually. Where are they?
Right over here. These ones are very popular. Soft and warm, perfect for autumn.
Oh, I like this gray one. How much is this?
That one is $24.99, and it's also in the sale, 20% off.
Oh, lovely. You know what? I'll take that too.
Great. So we have the dark blue jacket and the gray scarf. Anything else, or shall we head to the till?
No, I think that's everything. Let's go to the till.
Perfect. Right this way. At the counter. Okay, so that's the jacket at $76 and the scarf at $19.99. Your total comes to $95.99.
Great. Could I pay by card?
Of course, just tap or insert whenever you're ready.
Done.
Perfect. And would you like a bag for those?
Yes, please. A small bag is fine.
Of course. Here's your receipt. Would you like me to pop that in the bag?
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Oh, and just so you know, if anything doesn't work out, you're welcome to return or exchange within 30 days. Just keep your receipt.
Oh, that's really good to know. Thank you, Sarah.
Of course, enjoy your new jacket. I think you're going to love it.
Thank you so much. You've been really helpful today.
It was my pleasure. Have a lovely afternoon.
Oh, that was so natural and realistic. I felt like I was right there in the shop.
Right? And Alex was so clear and confident the whole time. He knew exactly how to ask for what he needed.
That's the goal. When you know the right phrases, shopping in English feels easy. Okay, let's break down the key phrases from that conversation.
First, when Sarah asked if she could help, Alex said, "I'm looking for a jacket, something casual for everyday wear. This is the perfect way to tell a staff member what you need. I'm looking for is your starting phrase."
Yes, I'm looking for works in any shop, any situation. I'm looking for a pair of shoes. I'm looking for a gift for my friend. I'm looking for something warm. Simple and very useful for your English speaking practice.
Next, Alex asked, "Do you have this in a medium?" When you find something you like but need a different size, this is exactly what you say. "Do you have this in a medium?" Or, "Do you have this in a large?"
And you can also ask about color. Do you have this in black? Or do you have this in a different color? So useful for daily English conversation.
Then Alex said, "Could I try it on?" Always ask this before going to the fitting room. It's polite and completely natural, and the staff member will show you where to go.
Yes. Could I try this on? Or is there a fitting room I could use? Both are perfect.
Then, this one is really important. When Alex heard about the discount, he asked, "So how much would that be?" When there's a sale or a discount, always ask for the final price. This shows you're paying attention, and it's completely normal to ask.
Absolutely. So how much would that be? Or how much does that come to? Very natural in real life English. Okay, time to practice out loud. This is your English speaking practice moment. Say every phrase with me. Ready?
I'll say it, you repeat it. Let's go.
Here we go.
I'm looking for a jacket, something casual.
Good. Very natural. Next.
Could I have a look at that one?
Perfect. Now this one.
Do you have this in a medium?
Excellent. Keep going.
Could I try it on?
Great. Next one.
How much is it?
Simple and essential. Next.
So how much would that be with the discount?
Wonderful. Keep going.
I'll take it.
Love that confident phrase. Next.
Could I pay by card?
Almost there. Next.
A small bag is fine, thank you.
Beautiful. Last one.
What is your return policy?
Fantastic. 9 real shopping phrases that you can use immediately. That is genuine English conversation practice right there. Be proud of yourself.
All right, speaking challenge time.
Same as always. We give you the situation, you think of what to say, John gives the model answer. Ready?
Challenge 1. You walk into a clothing store. A staff member asks if they can help you. You're looking for a warm sweater. What do you say? You could say, Hi, yes, I'm looking for a warm sweater, something comfortable for everyday wear.
Perfect. Clear and friendly. Challenge 2.
You find a jacket you like, but you need a larger size. What do you ask the staff member? You could say, Excuse me, I really like this jacket. Do you have it in a large?
Great. Simple and direct. Last one. Challenge 3.
You're at the counter, ready to pay. The staff member tells you the total. You want to pay by card and you need a bag. What do you say? You could say, Could I pay by card, please? And could I get a bag for that?
Yes, so natural and confident. That is exactly how you learn to speak English easily, one real-life situation at a time. Before we finish today, I want to say something to you.
Go ahead, Lisa. Thinking.
Shopping seems like such a normal, everyday thing, but when you have to do it in another language, it can feel really stressful. Worrying about getting the words right, worrying about not understanding the answer.
And I just want to remind you, it is okay to not be perfect. It is okay to pause and think. It is okay to say, Sorry, could you repeat that? Nobody minds. Nobody is judging you.
What matters is that you try, and every time you walk into a shop and speak English, even just a few words, you are practicing real-life English. You are getting better.
So next time you go shopping, use one of these phrases. Just one. I'm looking for. That's enough to start, and the rest will follow.
Keep going. Keep practicing your daily English conversation. You are closer than you think. And that is a wrap on today's episode of Speak English Easily.
Thank you so much for practicing English with us today. It genuinely means everything.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to Speak English Easily. We have new English conversation practice episodes every single week, covering real-life English situations just like this one.
And leave us a comment. Tell us, what do you find most difficult about shopping in English? We read every single comment.
Or share this episode with a friend who is also working on their English speaking practice. The more you practice together, the faster you improve.
Until next time, keep practicing, stay confident, and remember,
Speaking English easily is not a dream. It's just a habit.
see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.